What if everything we thought we knew about the moon was wrong? In August 2023, India made history as the fourth nation to successfully land a spacecraft on the lunar surface. The Chandrayaan-3 mission was celebrated worldwide as a triumph of human ingenuity and perseverance. But what if that mission uncovered something that was never meant to be found? Even Michio Kaku, one of the world's most renowned theoretical physicists and a lifelong advocate for space exploration, appears deeply troubled by recent developments. What exactly did Chandrayaan-3 discover that has left scientists scrambling for answers and Kaku himself in a state of alarm? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most shocking lunar discoveries in human history, one that could change everything we thought we knew about our closest celestial neighbor and ourselves. Before we explore the disturbing discoveries, let's understand what Chandrayaan-3 represents. Launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, Chandrayaan-3 was designed to redeem India's previous lunar attempt. In 2019, Chandrayaan-2 had failed to achieve a soft landing on the lunar surface, crashing in the final moments of its descent. But this time, ISRO succeeded brilliantly. On August 23, 2023, the Vikram lander touched down smoothly on the lunar South Pole, a region that had remained largely unexplored by other nations. This wasn't just a win for India, it was a triumph for humanity. The South Pole is believed to contain vast reserves of water ice and other resources critical for future lunar colonization. For the first time, humans had a close-up view of this mysterious region, often called the Moon's final frontier. The initial results were exactly what scientists had hoped for: confirmation of frozen water deposits, detection of valuable minerals like magnesium and silicon, geological data about the South Pole's unique terrain. All these findings pointed toward the South Pole's potential for supporting future human colonies. Scientists were ecstatic. Politicians celebrated. The world watched in awe. But then, something changed. The first indication that something extraordinary was happening came when the Pragyan rover began analyzing the regolith, the fine, dusty layer of soil covering the Moon's surface. Using its advanced spectrometers to analyze the soil's composition, Pragyan stumbled upon something utterly baffling: trace amounts of a material that didn't match anything previously catalogued, not just on the Moon, but anywhere in our solar system. This unknown substance exhibited properties that defied conventional physics. It seemed to absorb electromagnetic radiation like a sponge, something no known natural material can do. When questioned about this finding, Kaku described it as both groundbreaking and terrifying. Why terrifying? Because if such a material exists naturally, it challenges our fundamental understanding of physics. And if it doesn't exist naturally, who or what placed it there? But this was just the beginning. As Pragyan continued its exploration, it detected anomalous heat signatures emanating from beneath the lunar surface. These weren't static readings, they fluctuated, almost as if responding to external stimuli. Initially, scientists proposed that these could be evidence of subsurface magma activity. But there's a major problem with this theory: the Moon is geologically dead. There hasn't been volcanic activity there for billions of years. So what could possibly be causing these emissions? Interestingly, these findings align with long-standing theories about the Moon's South Pole being a potential site for alien artifacts or structures. For decades, conspiracy theorists have suggested that extraterrestrial civilizations might have used the Moon as an observation post. Kaku, despite his well-known skepticism toward such theories, has now expressed concern that these possibilities can no longer be dismissed outright. The implications, he stated, are far more complex than we've ever considered. What do you think could be causing these mysterious heat signatures? Drop your theories in the comments below. The most shocking revelation came weeks after the initial landing, when ISRO released preliminary data from an experiment that had gone largely unnoticed at first. Using ground-penetrating radar, the Pragyan rover detected what appeared to be a massive cavernous void beneath the surface of the South Pole. Let that sink in. A void. A hollow space under the lunar surface. But that's not all. Within this void, the radar picked up structures, geometric shapes that could not have formed through natural geological processes. According to the data, these structures appeared to be metallic and arranged in a grid-like pattern, resembling the framework of a constructed facility. This wasn't some random scattering of rocks. It was organized, deliberate, and seemingly ancient. When Kaku was shown the preliminary diagrams of these formations, witnesses report that he visibly paled. The dimensions of the void suggested it was large enough to house a small city. If you're feeling a chill right now, you're not alone. This revelation has triggered intense speculation across the scientific community. Let's explore the main theories. Could these structures be remnants of an advanced alien civilization? If extraterrestrial beings used the moon as a base, the South Pole would be an ideal location. Permanently shadowed craters provide protection from solar radiation, and the presence of water ice offers a valuable resource. Some scientists propose an even more mind-bending possibility. What if these structures were built by humans, not modern humans, but an advanced civilization that existed millions of years ago, only to be wiped out by some cataclysmic event? Could some of our ancient ancestors have reached the moon, leaving behind evidence of their technological prowess? The most conservative theory suggests that what appears to be artificial structures might actually be an unknown natural phenomenon. Perhaps crystals formed in unique patterns, or ancient lava tubes created geometric formations that our instruments are misinterpreting. Which theory do you find most plausible? Vote now in our community poll. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel for further more updates about space.